YouTube community, welcome to my channel. For over 25 years, I've been an educator and trainer in a higher ed arena, as well as a realtor for many, many years. So on this channel, Sent to Share, my ultimate goal is to continue sharing what I've been sharing among people I know. On this channel, I'm going to be sharing tips, resources, information to enhance your career, advance your education, or even get that business started. For my home sellers, I will be providing insight and guide, as well as for my buyers, especially my first-time home buyers. I'm going to be providing interviews with lenders, attorneys, to help you better understand the process when you are pursuing to purchase a home. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this channel so others can be blessed. Thank you for watching.